So two complex numbers are given by W1 equals to negative 2 plus I, W2 equals to 1 plus 2I. So what we do is can draw an algebra diagram, right? And after we need to show what is W1 and W2. Alright, so very quickly, negative 2 plus I will just be somewhere, 1 plus 2I will be over here, of course. You can see somewhere, it will probably be somewhere here. Let's say I call it W2 represented by B. Right, this is actually 1 plus 2I. Right, so B is equals to 1 plus 2I. Right, A will be somewhere here. This is a negative 2 plus I represented by A. Right, so A is equals to W1, which is negative 2 plus I. Right, given that W3 equals to W1 plus W2, we need to mark the corresponding. So basically, we can, a lot of ways that we can do it. One way we can say that W3 is just equals to, see, if we add up the two, negative 1 plus 3I, so it should be somewhere here. Right, and basically in the triangular, the diagonal law addition is like W equals to A plus B, so C should be somewhere here. Right, C should be somewhere here. Right, where is the diagonal of the quadrilateral form between A and B as a sides. Okay, then I want to show that OBCA is a square. Alright, I want to show that OBCA is a square. So a lot of things. I want to show, we need to show that all sides are equal. And also we need to show that the interior angles are 90 degrees, right? So with that, right, very quickly, first of all, there's a very fast way. Of course, you want to find this, and then you want to find this, right, the argument of A and argument of B, and show that their difference is 90 degrees. That's also one way. Or you can also use a cheat way, which is just to take argument of W1. This is the same as the argument of negative 2 plus I. And if you are quick enough, you can just see that I try to put something in. This is the same as the argument of I, bracket 1 plus 2I. Alright, this is very not easy to create something like this. Right, if not, use the auxiliary, that is fine. And this is the same as the argument of I plus argument of 1 plus 2I, which is the same as the argument of pi over 2 plus argument of W2. Since argument of I is an imaginary real axis, it's just pi over 2, right? And with that, we can just see that this is actually equals to pi over 2 or 90 degrees. Alright? And you also know that if you want to find the modulus of OB, this is just 1 square. You can also say this square root 5. This one is also equals to square root 5. Why? Because you actually take 1 square plus 2 square, right? This is the W1, right? W2 is the same, it's also equals to square root 5. And with that, since the angle between O and OB is 90 degrees, and both sides are equal, both equals to square root 5, you can actually conclude that OBCA is a square, right?